CarboFix is a weight loss capsule designed to help improve your metabolism. CarboFix may help to burn stubborn fat, decreases hunger, helps with blood sugar control, and increases weight loss. Consumers are more obsessed with programs and supplements that relate to weight loss. So they are asking, does CarboFix really work? They want to know if the product they are paying for is good and effective. Products that reduce fat and enhances beauty have always been a favorite of human beings. Therefore, there are many frauds to take advantage of human nature. So answer to their question about CarboFix results are provided in the report. Consumers who are interested to buy the CarboFix Diet supplement need to know that this supplement is designed to be healthy. It uses only natural ingredients that have all been extensively studied and proven to fight against belly fat, uncontrollable weight gain, and intense hunger and cravings. The natural formula present in the CarboFix supplement can speed up the slowest metabolism, improve cardiovascular health, improve type 2 diabetes, and so on. There is nothing artificial in the supplement that harms the health of people trying it, and the consumers need to be aware of what CarboFix weight loss supplement contains. Complete list of CarboFix ingredients. Berberine. Berberine is a natural component that helps to lose weight, reduce appetite, increase energy, improve muscle tone, complexion, etc. True cinnamon. It has been shown to reduce some of the bad effects of eating high-fat foods. This can help in overall weight loss, and its effect on blood glucose levels can also help your body ultimately lose weight. Alpha-lipoic acid. It has a slight impact on weight loss. People who took an alpha-lipoic acid supplement lost an average of 1.52 pounds. Chromium. It is a mineral that enhances insulin, a hormone that's important for turning food into energy. Your body also needs it to store carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. So there are claims that supplements containing chromium can lower your appetite, help you burn more calories, cut your stubborn body fat, and boost your muscle mass. Benfotiamine. It is a dietary supplement that is a derivative of thiamine. So it helps to restore thiamine levels and helps in weight loss, diabetes, and nerve pain. Naringin. Naringin would cause an increase in intracellular calcium, which increases the proteins associated with programmed cell death. The apoptosis of adipose cells in adipocytes could aid in losing weight and eventually reduce obesity. The most common feature of these ingredients is that they are safe, natural, and scientifically tested. As per CarboFix customer reviews, most people will experience no side effects and nothing negative by consuming these CarboFix pills. According to certain CarboFix supplement reviews, the negative side effects are minimal and only tend to occur when someone exceeds the dosage as mentioned within the bottle. Click the link in our description to get CarboFix in their official website with massive discount. Consumers willing to use CarboFix pills must be aware of both the pros and cons of it. Pros. As it consists of natural formula, there are no serious side effects. Improve the metabolism of your body, makes you refreshed and rejuvenated, provides essential nutrients and vitamins, reduces the cholesterol level, decrease the sugar production in the liver, slow the breakdown of carbohydrates in the gut. Cons. Usage of excess dose may cause side effects. Results may vary from one person to another. There are many people struggling to lose excess weight by doing grueling workouts and starving diets. But at last, they give up. CarboFix weight loss pill is a solution for those struggling people. This effective supplement provides a way for consumers to lose weight quickly without killing themselves in the gym and depriving themselves of adequate food. The 6 natural components present in this supplement targets belly fat, cholesterol level, and blood pressure level. Just give it a try, and if you are not satisfied with it, then all you have to do is to contact the support team, and they will refund your entire amount without asking any questions. CarboFix pills are not just a weight loss supplement, it's more than that. Its effectiveness and safety are scientifically tested and proven. Having covered all the aspects of the CarboFix Diet supplement, so that consumers can feel more informed about the product after reading this CarboFix review. So many websites are selling fake products, so the only way to make sure consumers are purchasing the authentic CarboFix supplement is to buy from its official website itself. Make sure to use your discount by clicking the first link in the description.